In this video, let me show you how to use Klarna Pay Info feature. Now this is a feature that allows you to split a purchase into 4 equals without having to pay any sort of interest over 6 weeks. So if you're trying to use this feature, what most people do is just visit the partners of Klarna. So for example, if you're trying to shop on Amazon or any other sort of partners that Klarna is with, you'll be able to see the Klarna option being available during the checkout section. You can just tap on the Klarna option and you'll be able to use the Pay Info feature. But however, in case of you're trying to shop in the store or with non-partner sites, then what you need to do is open up the app of Klarna on your phone and then search for the store that you're in or not. So let's say if you head over to Walmart, you can just tap on the Walmart option and it will then take you to this section where you'll need to create a one-time digital card for the exact total of your purchase. So as I said, if you're trying to use this for shopping in store or for non-partner sites, only then you'll need to follow this process. Unless that, if you're doing with partners online such as Amazon, you'll be able to see the Klarna option being displayed during the checkout. So this is the exact way on how you use Klarna Pay Info feature. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.